We're gonna make quick potato sandwich at home. Light snacks if you get hungry. So easy to make. It's very quick. Now we got the white bread and we're putting some green chutney on it. So green chutney.
Okay.
Put some black salt. Aki, yeah?
Kali mirch.
That's black
Pepper.
pepper. So that's potato, which is boiled. We boiled potato, and we had a couple boiled potato left over, so we're gonna put them to use and make a quick snack potato sandwich. Put some onion. Now we're gonna put some cheese. What kind of cheese is this? Kedi cheese hai? Egg and mozzarella cheese. Put some peppers. Put some more salt.
Chaat masala.
This is chaat masala. Put some chaat masala. We're gonna put some hot and sweet tomato chili. Okay, so we put some sweet and chili sauce. Now we're gonna put them together. And now we're gonna put it on a pan and just heat it up a little bit.